Karen Reed motion to dismiss denied. The Karen Reed defense team suffered an expected blow on Friday as Judge Beverley Cannone ruled against motions to dismiss by accused murderer Karen Reed of second-degree murder charges and charges of leaving the scene of an accident after knowingly injuring someone. Reed is on trial for allegedly striking her then-boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe, with her SUV after an argument when she was dropping O'Keefe at a friend's after-party after a night of bar hopping. The defense for Reed claims that O'Keefe was murdered at the party by homeowner Brian Albert, nephew Colin Albert, and friend Brian Higgins, and then deposited on Albert's front lawn as part of a massive conspiracy to blame Reed for the murder. Reed's first trial for the murder ended in July with a hung jury after a little over 24 hours of deliberations. Her defense team had pushed for a mistrial early in the deliberations as a note was sent indicating that the jury was hopelessly deadlocked, and then the defense team bragged afterwards that they successfully defended Reed from the charges by the Commonwealth. Both actions were noted in Judge Cannone's decision, rejecting the defense's new claim that they were not allowed to object to the mistrial and that they had new evidence that the jury unanimously acquitted Reed of 2 of the 3 counts, but never put those verdicts forward as they were confused by jury instructions. Reed's defense team has been leading a public campaign to declare that Reed was found innocent beyond a reasonable doubt, even though the jury was hung and never came forward with a verdict in the case. Hampering the defense's long-shot efforts was the fact that none of the jurors, including the one who was recently interviewed by Aidan Turtleboy Kearney, would provide affidavits to back their statements. The prosecution countered the motions by stating that the judicial system is based on actual verdicts by juries, not allegations of jury votes from the deliberation room, and that the defense had multiple opportunities to join the prosecution in objecting to a mistrial. Prosecutor Adam Lally had fought valiantly against the mistrial as he felt that 24 hours after 8 weeks of testimony was simply not enough time for the jury to review the evidence, let alone come up with a verdict. He was overruled and the judge declared a mistrial without objection from the defense. Reed is expected to appeal the decision to the Massachusetts State Supreme Court. Her second trial for the murder of John O'Keefe is expected to start in late January 2025.